Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see, I'm a little bit cleaner today. It's not for the fact I've not been working, it's just the fact I've decided to have a tidy up, and I want to share with you a delivery I've received. Well, I've received two actually. Let me get this right. So today I've purchased a Record Power 8-inch bench grinder. I bought this in conjunction. This was something I wanted just before Christmas, but it was an extortionate price, and found it through a link on Yandles. Not sponsored, but I'd like to thank Yandles for a quick delivery. Paid for it with my own money, and I'm going to set this one up. Also, I received in the post, which took over a week to come, from America, the Pro Grind sharpening system. So hopefully it'll enable me to get a better edge on the lathe tool. So I'm going to put this together. I don't think I'm going to bore everyone with an unboxing, but I'll bring you back in when maybe there's something of interest there. Okay? See you in a bit. Well, don't stay clean for long. To be honest with you, it's bloody freezing in here. So, I had second thoughts and thought, well, I'll bring you along and see what you do. So, there's the instructions to the disc protected, eye protection, whatever they're called. Let's have a look. Here's itself with all the bits. Now I did buy another grinder at Christmas. It was a lumberjack one, but the problem with that, I could not find a CBN wheel, which I'm yet to purchase, that would fit. Unfortunately, I've gifted that one away to a friend of mine and opted for this one. Like I say, this was originally the one I wanted anyway. It's bloody heavy. Now, let's read the instructions. So you've got two wheels on. That wheel's going to get changed for a CBN wheel, which is, I believe, a lot better. They're not cheap, but yeah, not happy about that. That's dented. Welcome back. Well, I got in touch with Record Power regarding the damage when this was delivered. It's been after a couple of emails to Yandles, and also speaking direct with Record Power. They've sent me out this. I'm assuming it's a new aluminium oxide replacement for the white one there. So let's have a look. There was a backlog, which was explained to me by Record Power, and let's hope this is in better condition. There's no damage, bit staining, but I can live with that. So there, so we'll get that fitted. But I can't thank Yandles enough. I will put a link in the description for where I bought this from. The customer service, to be honest, I wasn't expecting, rightly or wrongly, I wasn't expecting, you sort of tired of them the same brush, but I wasn't expecting much from the customer service, but the treatment I got was fantastic, to be honest. I couldn't really praise them enough. Just to confirm, during all the process of this, it says it was unplugged. So, just a quick little video to back up or follow on from the original unboxing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for our subscribers, and anyone who's watching, please like, subscribe, and I can get on with some sharpening now. Okay, catch you on the next one.